Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create postcards to sell on Etsy. Are you looking for a guide on how to create postcards so you can sell them on Etsy? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so now we are in canva.com. Sign in. It's free to use, right? But before we go over how to create postcards using Canva, we go to Etsy. And in Etsy, just type in postcard, right? And as you can see, we have a lot of postcards. It ranges from over 735 bucks PHP, which is approximately $12, $13, to cheaper ones that are 64, which is like $1.50 or something. And as you can see, a lot of people buy these. So it's highly reviewed, right? And yeah, pretty just to show you that you can actually sell stuff on Etsy and that they are highly reviewed and are bought by a lot of people. So let's scroll down. Different types: flowers, plants, art, like forgot what it's called, landscape. Um, like mixed, cats, Christmas. So there are some who don't sell, but I mean this is out of season, so it's very understandable. There's a lot of people who sell these and have sold a lot. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much Etsy. And now that we know that you can sell it, let's go back to Canva. So with Canva, let's talk about Canva Pro first, because if you have the money for it, and it's very affordable, it's very affordable. And you can try for a free trial. This is for 30 days. It says here 100 million plus premium photos, videos, and elements, 3,000 plus premium fonts, 610,000 plus premium templates, create with ease using a lot of their perks like magic resize, background remover, and premium animations. They have brand kits, content planner, and 1 terabyte of storage, which is more than enough. This is for 30 days. And if you want to know how the pricing is or what the prices are, hover your mouse on the menu on top and hover it on plan and pricing. Click on pro, because you're not gonna do this as a business, as a company, right? You're gonna do this as a freelancer, starting out your own business. All right, so we are now in Canva Pro, and as you can see, it says here, create stunning designs in no time with unlimited access to premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI-powered magic. And yes, Canva has integrated quite a bit of AI tools that you could use, and just makes things so much better, so much easier, so much more efficient. Um, and what includes with Canva Pro is documents, whiteboards, presentations, socials, video, print, and websites. And this is the what do you call that? The pricing. So 24.90 PHP. This is pretty much around um 50, 55, like less than 60 bucks US a year. And for monthly, that's 2.99, $1. No, $5.50 US, which is pretty cheap for the value that you're getting. Because we've said this before, right? You can resize designs instantly with Magic Resize, remove image and video backgrounds in one click, automatically match your video footage to your soundtrack. More AI-powered tools like Magic Eraser, Magic Write, BeatSync, and more. Schedule social media content at 8 platforms, and 24/7 customer support, which is pretty cool. So you can design easier, scale your brand better, and improve your workflows, and you work in one space, right? So that's pretty cool. So, and these are the Canva AI tools. So Magic Write, it's kind of like a mini ChatGPT in Canva. It helps you write stuff. beat sync your soundtrack with your video. Magic Eraser, which as you can see here, it just erases stuff. Translate. They also have a translator that covers over 100 languages. Magic Edit, you know, add images and whatnot. So there's a lot. Text to image, highlight AI image, regular AI image generator, magic design, magic presentations, and layouts and style. So that's pretty much what you're getting at. Because here's the thing, you would want Canva Pro to do postcards and Etsy, but here's the thing. let's show you postcard, right? So there are two tabs. It's 4.3 by 5.5 inches and 148 by 105. So let's check both of those, right? And as you can see, there's a lot of postcards that are free that you could use and just change it and you can sell it. But there are the better ones like this one that says Pro. You know, like everything that has a crown on the lower right corner, a small crown icon like this, that's Canva Pro. So these ones are usually the better ones, although there are really good ones that are free. Like this one is nice. This one is pretty cool, kind of like an old school retro, like 80s type of like postcard you send. So there's a lot of things here that you can see that you can use, but most that's behind Canva Pro you can use to like edit properly, create your own, even just generate your own image because you can generate your own image with the like AI tool, right? That's unique to you, unique to your generation, depending on how you prompt it and what type of image, how you prompt it, what color you want, what design you want, and you can sell it again on Etsy, right? So this is the one with the other dimensions, pretty much the same thing. Cute one. So there's a lot of things that you can use, right? There you go. A lot of thank you postcards. Good luck in Bon Voyage. Just for somebody leaving on a trip. This is pretty cool. Hauling windmills and whatnot. Again, like with Canva Pro, you don't need to worry about the images, right? Because you generate them yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. That's how you pretty much create a postcard. Just like any other Canva template, you can edit it to your liking, color, font, design, everything. But with Canva Pro, you can do more. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.